Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to another unboxing of another Jack Turner watch. This is the Jack Turner Maverick. A while back I did a video about the Jack Turner Traveler. Great watch, really lovely watch in many ways. I unfortunately never wear it. No fault of the watch itself, but due to my small little wrists. So to my great fortune, if you want to say, Jack Turner decided to take the Traveler and shrink it down and create the Maverick. And while I unboxed the outer cardboard boxing, I am a Jack Turner affiliate. They did send me this watch for free. I do get to keep it, and I do have a discount code down below. I believe it's more or less the same outer plastic packaging, a little travel box kind of deal. Jack Turner branded. We open it up. We have cleaning cloth. Is it branded? Yes, it is. Jack Turner branded little cleaning cloth. We have the watch. Let's put it to the side. What else do we have? There, I think, a warranty card. And a NATO strap. So the Traveler was released with a NATO strap. I put it on the leather it's on right now. Let's put the box away quickly. And it seems like the Maverick arrives with a similar style NATO strap. Sorry, headphone users. We have some branded hardware, brushing. Seems to be decent quality. Nice green NATO. I never wear NATOs. I don't know, I just don't like them. But the watch itself, ta-da! Here we go. It's on a leather strap, so let's do a little bit of plastic removing. And here we go. And we should have... Oh, it's just pulled out. So what we do have here, with this, if we screw in the screw down crown, and we should see that seconds hand sweeping away. We have a mecha quartz movement. I don't understand why more brands don't use this mecha quartz movement. It's a really nice movement. You get a sweep like a mechanical, and you don't have to set it every day or every time you use it. There we go. So, is it just a one-to-one shrunken down? Pretty similar. All colors seems a bit more saturated. We have a sandwich dial. It's a good loom, nice hands. Different case back. The plane here. Nice combination. Sorry. Mostly brushed with a slim chamfer, it seems like. So let's do like my friend over at Klockfeber does. Remove this leather. Quick release. Flieger style leather strap. Thick, nice, a bit stiff, but I think it will break in good. Signed hardware matching with the brushing. Quick release, that's nice. I will of course put it on another strap, can't help myself. But like my buddy over at Klockfeber does, removing straps allows you to check out the parts of a watch where a lot of brands skimp out. But it seems like the level of finishing is solid throughout. Nice big sign crown. Now the branding, Jack Turner branding, I really like it. I like the logo and so on. The clarity of Jack Turner watches sapphire crystals, is always crazy good and no exception here. A lot of glare, so it's really sunny today. But the viewing angles are great due to those big hands. What's our dimensions? About an 11mm thickness, 39-ish millimeter case diameter, and was a lug to lug. It's about 49, 50, but it seems like they curve quite nicely. So let's put the strap back on quickly. Can I do this on camera? Yeah, I could. Really nice. Good heft to it. Sometimes quartz watches feel too light, but this feels substantial. VH31, right? Make a quartz movement. Let's put it on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist and let's see how that lug to lug wears. I dare say, once that leather breaks in, I dare say that will wear well. A nice quartz grab and go Flieger field kind of style watch. Fairly short strap. Yeah, that wears well. I'm pulling that off. Cool, awesome. Review coming in a couple of weeks, but if you can't wait to see a Jack Turner review, check out the Meridian review. Oh, almost forgot. I think it's $249 with the discount code down below. It's 20% off. So good value for money, it seems. Review coming up in a couple of weeks. You're gonna find the time. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe, take care, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.